Hello students, this is Sachin Dhoti on behalf of B Educare and I am back with a daily dose of current affairs. Today we will discuss the current affair topic for June 6, 2021. First current affair, Supreme Court quotes Kedarnath Singh judgment in the Vinod Dua sedition case. The Supreme Court of India quashed the sedition case registered against journalist Vinod Dua in Shimla, Himachal Pradesh after a year of an FIR lodged by BJP Mahasu Unit President Ajay Sham over Dua's YouTube show. A bench of justices of the top court ruled that every journalist is entitled to protection under the Kedarnath Singh judgment, the landmark verdict of 1962 on the scope of offense of sedition in the IPC. तो इनके ऊपर का जो है उसका जो केस है उसको क्वैश कर दिया गया. Next news, and a very important one, no testing or quarantine after vaccination, says the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. तो यूएस के सीडीसी ने कहा है कि अगर आपने वैक्सीनेशन लगा लिया है तो आपको टेस्टिंग करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आपको अगर आप किसी इंसान के साथ आप मिलते हो जो कोविड पॉजिटिव है तो आपको ना खुद टेस्ट करना है और ना आपको क्वारंटीन में रहना है, इवन इफ द अदर पर्सन इज कोविड पॉजिटिव. बट अगर आपको सिम्टम्स नजर आ रहे हैं तो जरूर टेस्टिंग करना और आइसोलेशन करना जरूरी, अदरवाइज देर इज नो नीड. So the US CDC has its latest issued guidelines stated that one need not get tested or exercise quarantine or isolation if they are fully vaccinated, even in the case of exposure to a COVID-19 infected person. However, one should get tested in exceptional cases such as experiencing symptoms of COVID-19 even after getting fully vaccinated. Next news, Social Justice Minister has launched the SAGE portal. SAGE का full form है Senior Care Aging Growth Engine. This is done to assist elderly people. तो वृद्ध लोगों के लिए एक पोर्टल अनाउंस किया गया है SAGE. The Union Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Thawarchand Gehlot, launched the SAGE portal on June 4, 2021 to help elderly persons. The SAGE project has been set up to select, support, and create a one-stop access of elderly care products and services by credible startups. तो इसके अंदर बूढ़ों के लिए जो प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज रिक्वायर्ड होती है वृद्ध लोगों के लिए वो वन स्टॉप शॉप उनके लिए वो होगा, और स्टार्टअप जो है क्रेडिबल स्टार्टअप जो हैं उनके प्रोडक्ट्स यहाँ पे मार्केट होंगे. The startups will be selected based on innovative products and services which they should be able to provide across sectors such as health, housing, care centers, apart from technological access linked to finances, food and wealth management and legal guidance. अगली खबर, करीब करीब 100 मोबाइल टावर सेटअप होने वाले हैं लद्दाख में ताकि वहाँ की जो मोबाइल की नेटवर्क सर्विसेज है वो अच्छी हो. एक पहाड़ी इलाका है और यहाँ पे इसका डेवलपमेंट भी नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे मोबाइल के नेटवर्क की बहुत इशू आती है. जो लोग टूरिस्ट वहाँ आते हैं क्योंकि टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है लद्दाख, तो यहाँ पे मोबाइल कनेक्टिविटी बढ़ाने के लिए ये प्रयास गवर्नमेंट का. To improve mobile network services in Ladakh, almost 100 towers would be installed in the next couple of months. The Union Territory had sought help from the Army for quicker installation of the towers and OFC cable laying in bordering villages. This comes as there has been an increasing demand from the students and youth in the Union Territory for quality mobile network and data services to avail online classes and even vaccination. The students often have to climb hills in far-flung villages to catch mobile signals or access online study materials. Last news, HDFC Bank to turn carbon neutral by 2031-32. HDFC Bank पूर्णतः कार्बन न्यूट्रल विदाउट एनी कार्बन एमिशंस के होने वाला है फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2021-32 तक. HDFC Bank on June 3 announced its plans to become carbon neutral by 2031-32. The private bank is looking at reducing its emissions, energy and water consumption. The bank stated that it will continue to incorporate and scale up the use of renewable energy in its operations. Further, as a part of its environmental, social, and corporate governance strategy, इसको ESG strategy भी बोला जाता है, the bank said that it will focus on offering loans for green products such as electric vehicles at lower interest rates and on incorporating ESG scores in its credit decisions. So that's it for today. I will see you guys soon with more current affair topics. Till then, keep reading, keep studying, and keep learning. This is Sachin Dodi on behalf of Be Educare signing off. Stay home and stay safe.